Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a professional portfolio website using WordPress without any coding. We will use Elementor plugin and some pre-built templates to make the process simple and beginner friendly. The best part is the website will be completely responsive and mobile friendly, ensuring that it looks great on any kind of device. After watching this video, you will be able to design a stunning portfolio website in few hours by customizing the templates to fit your needs. Let's get started. So friends, first of all, we need to download the WordPress. So we will type WordPress download in Google and open the very first website, and from here we can download the latest version of the WordPress. So make sure you check the URL wordpress.org, which is the official website for downloading the WordPress. So from here you can download the latest version WordPress to your local machine. So we'll click on download and it started the downloading of WordPress latest version. So I have already started my XAMPP server, as we are going to use our local host to creating the website. So here we can go to a local host and PHP admin. So local host, and here we need to add HTTP so that it not search on Google. So here also you can go directly to localhost and check if XAMPP server is working correctly. So from here we will move to PHP my admin, and from here we will create a blank database for us. So we can give any kind of name. So as we are creating a portfolio website, so we will give name portfolio. After giving the name, we can simply click on create button. So it will create a blank database. We'll use this database for our WordPress site. After creating the database, we will move to our download folder where we downloaded our WordPress latest version. Simply extract this zip file, and after extracting we will copy all these files and go to our XAMPP file root directory, and here you will find a folder called htdocs, and here you can create a new folder called portfolio, or anything, any name you can give as per your requirement. So I am giving portfolio. So in portfolio folder, we will paste all these WordPress file which we have downloaded from the WordPress org website. So after that, we can open our portfolio website by typing localhost/portfolio. So when you will type portfolio, it will load a setup configuration file from here. So you can check it out. The our welcome page is ready. So we can go ahead with the button let's go. So after clicking on let's go, you remember we have created a localhost phpMyAdmin. Here we have created a portfolio database. So we will use this database for our website. So we will put the database name here portfolio, and username for XAMPP server, it will be the root, and password you need to leave as it is blank. For XAMPP server the password is empty. So here database host is already correct, localhost, and table prefix is WP. We can change it if we want. So I can add 12, 13, or anything if we need to add. So after adding the database name, we will continue to submit. You can check it here. Right now here nothing, no table are right now present in this database. When we submit, then it will ask us to add these sort of line in wp config file, as it automatically unable to add these lines because of some permission error. So we need to add these lines manually. So we will copy all these lines and go to our project directory, which is portfolio in the htdocs. And so here we will look for a file called wp-config. Here it is. We need to edit this file name with removing the sample part from and it should be like wp-config.php. After that, we need to edit this with any kind of editor. I am using here Sublime Text Editor. You can use anyone like Notepad or Notepad++. And here we will replace all these code with our these new codes given by the WordPress installation. So we will copy these code and paste it here and just save this. Here you can check it out the table prefix which we have added, and here the db host localhost and db user is root and database name is portfolio. So now we will run the installation, and here the database will be added here, all the tables when we run this installation. So I am running the installation and you can check it out. It asking for the site title. So here we can give any kind of site title. Actually we are giving here the site name. So I am giving portfolio website as a website name, and username will be the login username for the admin dashboard. So here I can give admin, and for password I am putting 1234, and I need to click on this confirm use big password, and here you need to add any kind of email so that it will be used for resetting the password or any communication between your WordPress server. So we will give a email. After that you can check it out if you don't want to rank this website on search engine. If this website is a development website and you do not need to rank it on any kind of engines like Google or Yahoo, you can discourage search engines from indexing this site. You can check this box. After that you need to click on install WordPress. So after clicking on that, it will install WordPress on your local machine, and here you can see the success message. And when we go to our database and refresh this page, you can check it out. The 12 tables has been added by WordPress. You can check it here. So here we will proceed with the login page. So here you need to add the username as I have given the admin and password 1234, and we will try to log into our admin panel. Here you can see that we able to log in at our admin panel. So our WordPress website is ready. We can check our website by clicking on visit website. So here you can check the basic website, basic blank portfolio website is ready. Now we need to redesign this website. So for that we will need to add some sort of themes and plugins. We'll go to theme section, and here if you want to check pages, here there are two pages, and if we go to post, there is one hello world post which is this appearing on our home page. And if I go to plugin section, here is also you can check two inactive plugins which we do not need it now, so we will delete this plugin for now. So here it asking for some FTP sort of code. So for fix this FTP issue, we will need to add some sort of code. So I have already made a video on this. You can follow this video, and from here you need to add this line on your wp config file. So from here you can copy this line and go to your wp config file, and in last from that's all, just above this comment line you need to paste this single line of code and save After that, there is one more thing to do. We need to run this command, so we'll copy this path. And for Mac, this is the path for our root directory, and it can vary system to system. You need to check the correct path on your system. So we'll paste this, and here we will add our site name called portfolio. So we have added a portfolio, so this will be the correct path. So I will enter, and it will ask for Mac password. I am entering the Mac password, and we have, okay, there is some error. Okay, no such file or directory. Okay, I have missed the htdocs. Okay, we'll need to copy from here to here. Again, we will paste this, and here portfolio, this will be the correct part. Okay, we'll enter and fix the permission. So after that, when we'll try to refresh this and try to delete it again, we'll able to delete these plugins. And after that, we will add some plugin or themes. So here in theme section, we will click on add new themes and select theme which is quite popular, and theme name is Astra. We will click on installed, and you can also check the details about these themes. You can check it out. uh, it's a very high rated theme and widely used by the WordPress user. So after installing, you need to activate this theme. So here we have successfully activated our theme, and we'll check our website. So you can check the theme is updated on our WordPress website. After that, we will click on get started with starter templates. We will use a plugin called starter templates, which provides many free templates which will be useful for our WordPress website, and we can easily build our website with the help of those templates. So here you need to click on this link and activate the plugin. After clicking on it, it will install a plugin called starter templates. You can check it on plugin section. So when you go to your plugin section, you can see the starter template plugin is installed by the theme configuration file. So you can check out the details about this plugin. You can see the 1 million plus install of this plugin. So it's a quite popular plugin. So we'll go back to our builder profile, and we'll go with classic starter templates. So we'll click build with templates. After that, we will need to select the page builder, any kind of these three page builder. We will select the Elementor, which is another quite popular plugin. So we will go ahead with Elementor, and will explore the templates listed by the starter templates. Here some of the premium templates also listed, but you can start with the free templates. So from here you can select any kind of template as per your requirements and business needs. I am selecting one of them. You can also explore the templates based on the category here given on top. So from here I am selecting one of templates, and you can also check the preview of any kind of template on by clicking on that template. So here I have selected a template called portfolio and CV. So here you can check the preview of this template. We can also choose the color combination from here. Also we can change it later on theme customization setting. Also for the site logo part, we can upload our site logo and check the preview, or we can also set it later in theme settings. So today we are using this template and customize this template. We will replace all these dummy content with our real contents. So after selecting the template, we can click on continue. After selecting the templates, you need to select those feature you want to use on your website. So here by default, the page builder and contact form will be selected by default. If you want to add some features like free live chat, donation, e-commerce, then you can select these features. So as per now, we are not using any kind of these features. So I am not selecting these plugins and skipping it. We can later, if we want, also install these features. So I am clicking on continue by selecting only these default selected features, page builder and contact form. After that, it asking for little bit about yourself. So if you want, you can fill this or you can skip this also. And here, if you want to share some non-sensitive data to developer, you can keep this on. Otherwise, if you do not want to share any kind of data to your developer, simply you can turn this off. After that, you have to click this box, I understand, and let's go. This giving a warning message that it will replace your database and site settings. So from here, you need to click on submit and build my website. As soon as you click on build website, it will be start building your website, and it will take some times to build the website as it installing some sort of plugins and the contents to your database. So you need to wait until it finish. After 1 or 2 minutes, you will get a message of congratulations that your site is ready. So you can visit your website by clicking on this link. See on your screen, we have created a stunning portfolio website within few minutes with the help of the website builder and plugin called Starter Templates. Now a responsive and modern layout for our portfolio website is completely ready. Now we need only to change all these dummy content with our real data. All these images we can change as per our requirement and as per our business needs. So we can simply edit all these pages, or also we can create more pages if required. So for now, firstly we will edit our home page. For editing any of page, you need to go to that page, and for going to page, simply you can click on home, about or service. Which page you want to edit, you need to click on that. On after clicking on that, you need to click edit with Elementor. This option only visible if you logged in with admin password. If you are not logged in with your administrator password, these options will be not available on your website. So make sure that you already logged in with admin password. So from here, you need to click on edit with Elementor. After clicking that, the Elementor interface will load. So here you can see the structure of your website. All the container you can see here. There are many containers, headings and contents are being used on this home page. So we need to edit these container. So we can hide this structure part by clicking on this structure part. And if we need to edit this image, then we need to click on this box. And here you can see the box. When I am clicking this box, on the left hand side you can see it give option to choose an image. Click on this choose image, and here you see the size of the image. It's 670 by 670. So make sure that you upload the image of this size so that it look exactly same. So for switching the image, we need to add a new image. So I am downloading a image from internet so that I can show you how we can choose any of image. From here I will select any kind of image. I am taking this image. So okay, So I can save this image. So I have downloaded this image, and before replacing the image, check the resolution of this image. It's a square image. So we will keep the resolution same so that our layout will look exactly same. So we will go to download section and change the image size before uploading to my server. So here we will paste the 670 by 670 and save. Now we'll replace with our file. So from here we can upload our image. So, and from here you can add alternative text. If you want, you can add here the brand name. So I am giving Tech Sultans. Okay, so you need to select here, and you can see we have successfully changed our image. You can upload whatever image you want. Make sure the image size is similar to the existing one. Also, we can change the name by clicking on this block. So I will click on name block, and here in title we will put our name. Okay, and also here we can also change the email ID. So here we can add Tech Sultans. Okay, and also if we want, we can change the phone number as per our requirement. And also if you want to change the icon, also from this library you can change the icon too. So we have changed the icon also. After this we can change our about section also. Here if you want to change heading about me, by clicking on this block. Also the content, if we can change here according to our requirement. And in this way also you can change these contents. Also if you want, you can take the help of ChatGPT to rewriting these contents in better way. So we'll use this. We can copy this content and go to ChatGPT and ask to rewrite these content in unique way. Rewrite. Here you can give command like this, and the ChatGPT will give you the rewritten version of this content, and you can simply copy these contents and paste it here. Either you can paste it in text view or visual view. I will recommend, if you are pasting simple text, you can paste in text view. So as soon I have pasted, here content is already updated. Right now we have not published the changes. In this way you can edit all these content. For editing the background images like this one, you need to click on this block, and here you will find a style option. In this style option, again you need to choose the image which you want to upload here. So here you can see that the image dimension is 1920 by 180. So you need to provide the image resolution like this so that you can get the same experience and quite similar. And also all these my experience section, these all section can be edited by clicking on these blocks. Step by step, clicking on these block, you can change all these data as per your requirement. For editing the gallery part or portfolio part, you need to click on this section, as this is a product gallery. And from here when you click, you can see that 6 images are selected here. So from here we can add or delete images or replace these images. Simply we need to, for removing, we can minimize, means I can delete by clicking on this icon and insert gallery. So you can see that we have removed all 3 images, and there are still 3 images. We can add more images by clicking add to gallery button. So from here we can select more images. So if I add more images and then click on insert gallery, you can see that one more image is added to our gallery. So as per our requirement, we can customize our gallery and this portfolio section. So all these sections can be edited by clicking on these blocks. Expect this footer section. This footer section and header section is the part of our theme. So we will edit later. After editing all these content, when you're done with your editing, you can check the preview. For checking the preview of changes made by you can simply click on this preview changes. When you click, it will not publish, but it will preview your changes. So you can check the preview that you have made the changes in your website. After checking and analyzing your changes, you can simply click on publish. When you publish your changes, it will be published to your website. So you can check it out on live website. Also, you can try to check in incognito mode if you want without logged in view. So here you can check the front end of your website with your changes done. So friends, now we will customize our header section and footer section. So for do that, you have to go on your admin dashboard, and from here we will go to appearance section, and in appearance we will click on customize. Here when you hover on your header, you will get this edit icon. When you click on this edit icon, the header section editor will appear on the left hand side. Here you can adjust the height of header as per your requirement. If you want to reset that height to theme default setting, you can click on this small reset icon. After that, you need to change the logo of this website. So click on this small edit button, and in left hand side you can change the logo from here. For changing the logo, just click on change logo. So here you need to upload the logo. The recommended size is 180 by 60. As you can see, the name and logo is combined in this image. So if you want to upload logo in square and want to add some text site title here, you can do that also. So I am using my logo here. Firstly we will download our logo, and then we will change the logo with our logo. So here we will upload our new logo. So we have uploaded our logo, you can see, and from here we can skip cropping, and we need to update logo here. As I am working on Mac, so Retina, for Mac users the Retina logo will work, but if you want to turn off this logo, the default logo will appear, and from here we can adjust our logo width as per our requirement. Also, if you want that your portfolio website and site name will appear just front of logo, you can click on this inline logo and site title. When you click this, it will appear here, but you can see the site title visibility is turned off. So we will turn on the site visibility, and again we will try to turn it off and back turn on. So you can see your logo and the site title appear here. Also, if you want to add tagline, you can also add a tagline from here, and this tagline will appear just beside of this title. And also, if you want that tagline appear over here just below the portfolio website title, then you can turn the tagline visibility on. So I am turning on the tagline visibility, and you can see that our tagline appearing here. You can change this tagline as per your requirement. So from here we will publish the changes. If you satisfied with your changes, you can publish the changes. If you want to increase or decrease the height of this, you can adjust it from here. If you satisfied with these changes, just click on publish. After published, you can refresh your page and the changes will be saved. So now in similar way we can edit our footer section also. From here, we can edit all these sections. If we want to remove this powered by option, we can remove from here. So this I have removed it. If you want to edit all these widgets, you can also edit these widgets from the footer. So from here you need to click on this widget 2, and from here you can edit. Here we can add our customized text as per our requirement. Also, if we want to edit this link, we can edit that too. Here we can provide our contact us link. So right now there is no link. If we click, it comes back on home page. As in link we have passed only has. Here instead of passing this has, we can pass our contact section link. Here we can pass the our contact link and we can publish these changes. So when I refresh this and try to click on get it on touch, it will open the contact form. Also, if you want to edit these social links and these services link, you can also do that from here. You need to click on widget 3. From here you can edit all these socials icon. Here you can see that this is a navigation menu. For changing the menu, you need to come on dashboard and click appearance, and in appearance section there is a option called menus. Click on this menus option. From here we can select our required menu. The menu is social, so we will look for the social menu. From here we can select our social menu, and then we can edit all these links. So here we can pass our Instagram URL, and here we can pass our dribble URL, and if you want to remove this, just remove from here. If we do not need this menu, we can we can simply remove by clicking on remove button. And here if we pass instagram.com, here you can see there is no link right now, but we have added instagram.com. So I am saving the menu, and when you save and try to refresh and again you click, then it will open the Instagram. You can pass your social media URL with the username so that it will go to your social media page. So in this way we can edit this menu also. And for this service section we can click on this widget 1. When we click on this, you can see this is also a services menu, and we can edit this menu from menu section. For do that, in similar way you need to select this services menu. From here you can edit your services menu. You can add more menu if you have created more pages. Here in URL you can pass the URL which you want to open when click on these menus, and in same way you can remove this also. And after editing this menu you can just save this, and that change will reflect here. We have removed one menu, and you can see that the menu has been removed from home page. So in this way you can edit your header and footer also as per your requirements and business needs. Also for pages, any kind of these pages, you can edit these pages also by clicking on this button. When you click that, in same way we have edited our home page, we can edit these also. From here, if we need to edit this image, you can simply switch the image from here. Also the title, also from here this section. Clicking on each block will give you the option in left side. You can easily click on this and edit the section, and you can add content as per your business needs. Also, I have already told you that how you can change the background image. Just click on this and go to style section, and from here you can change the background image of any section. Also, if you want this progress bar to adjust, you can just adjust it from here. By clicking on this section, you can edit as per your requirement. Also, you can choose anything. Likewise, if you do not need Python, you need to add PHP, you can just add PHP. From here you can change anything you want. In this way you can change any content by clicking on that section or block, and after changes you can just click on this preview icon to see the preview before publish the changes, and after checking the preview you can just publish the changes if you satisfied with your preview result. After that we can view the page and we can check out our changes. So you can see that we have adjusted the percentage and it's reflected here. In same way you can edit services page as well as portfolio page and contact page. So friends, in this way you can create any type of website without any coding knowledge using Elementor and pre-built templates. You just need to edit the content as per your business needs, and within 1 or 2 hours you can build a stunning portfolio website. If you get stuck anywhere or have any doubts regarding this video, feel free to ask me in comments. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching and do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you like this tutorial.